the parts of the guitar. So you got here, these are the strings. Okay, I don't have my nice guitar, but this will do. It's okay. So you got here the head, you got the pegs, the tuning pegs. Okay, so this is the lowest key. Okay, E, low E, and then so on and so forth. I'm going to teach that later on, but first we're going to do the basic first. Okay, you got the head, you got the neck, okay, and then you have the body of the guitar, you got the bridge, you have the mouth of the guitar, okay, and these are the frets. So you got this, the frets are bordered by or divided by the bars, okay. So you got fret number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So you got 6 strings, okay. This guitar is 6 strings, and then we'll be using both hands. So this is your thumb, okay, thumbs. So you get, I'll put numbers I will assign numbers to our fingers. So this is number 1, 2, 3, 4, okay, or the pointing finger, the middle finger, the ring finger, and the pinky, right? And the reason I do that, because if I'm going to instruct you how to play a chord, then I will tell you what finger you need to use and which fret and which string, okay. So you got, let's say for example you have C, okay. So before we do that, I will tell you, number 1, go to first fret, this one, first fret, second string, finger number 1 to second string, and then 4th string on the 2nd fret, okay, there you go, and then 5th string on the 3rd fret, so that is C, okay. I remember my dad, when he and my cousins who used to play, they make the C's like this, okay, but this is modified C. But this one sounds better. If you can do it, then that's a lot better. So you have your C. We're just going to learn chords slowly, but it is important that you are to memorize each chord. Okay, so that is C. So you remember the C. So in piano you got do, mi, sol, or C, E, C. Forgive my guitar, the first string is not the exact string, so the sound is a little bit off, but that's fine. It's quarantine, it's hard to, there's no open store to buy strings. Okay, so that is C, and then let's start from C, D, E, F, G, A, B. C, alphabet, okay. There's only 7, right? A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Yeah, only 7 major chords. So that's C. Then let's do D. Okay, other people will do like this, which is 2nd fret, 2nd fret, 1st, 2nd, and then we'll do first finger to the third string, and then middle finger to the first string of the second fret, and then the ring finger on the second string of the third fret. But I'm used to doing it this way. Okay, it's the same. I'll just assign the middle finger in the third fret, and then the ring finger on the first string, second fret, and then the pinky finger, the small finger on the third fret, second finger. So that's the D. And then we'll do E. E is like this. E is you put the first finger, number 1 finger, on the third string, first fret, okay, and then the middle finger on the 5th string, second fret, and then the ring finger on the 4th string, second fret, and that is the E. E. Now let's go to F. F is a little bit hard for beginners because you have to start with a flat. Flat on the first fret. Okay? So flat, and then so in order to support your finger number 1, you're going to put your thumb at the back. Okay, press it together like a capo. Okay, capo in Tagalog. So you can do it this way. Press together. Okay, so you got that. Okay, and then the middle finger, you put it on the third string of the second fret, and then the ring finger on the 5th string on the 3rd fret. Okay, you got first fret, second fret, 3rd fret, and then the pinky finger on the 4th string of the 3rd fret. So you got, there you go. It's a little bit off. Wait, sorry. Yeah. So that's F. In order for you, to make it easy, okay, some people will do it this way, so it's very difficult. So what I told my students is that after you press it and lean it to the left, your fingers, your hand, lean it to the left, but press this thumb at the back. Okay, press it properly, and then this elbow will go push into your waists. Okay, so you got that. Other people, they can do the flat, so they can do like this here. It's the same sound, but the only difference is if you do this, you don't do this, you don't strum this, the 6th string. So you just do from the 5th down. Okay, but it is still very important because this is your bass, so you have to press that. Other people, when they do that, they do it this way. So the thumb is pressing the bass, so when they do that, they do this way. But it's very difficult for me, so I just do it this way. So that's F. It's still very important that you learn how to flat your finger, because in the future you'll be doing a lot of variations. Okay, you're going to do other chords using flats, like this is F, right? F, G, A, B, C, so on and so forth. F sharp, G sharp, or A flat, okay, so on and so forth. So it is still very important. Now, okay, we're just passing on these chords. You still have to study the chord chart. Okay, I'll show you some chord chart later on, so that you can learn and memorize them. Okay, so that's F. Then the G is your first finger. Put it on the 5th string of the 2nd fret, and then your middle finger on the 6th string on the 3rd fret, and your ring finger on the 1st string of the 3rd fret. Okay, so that is your G. Here you go. Well, what I do is I do it this way. I'm used to doing it this way. It's the same. So you got 5th, 6th, 1st. Okay. And then, so that's G. Then now let's go to A. A will be like this. Okay, that's A. So that is first finger, put it on the finger number 1, put on the 4th string, 2nd fret. Everything will be on 2nd fret. Okay, so you get 4th, 3rd, and 2nd. So you got that. And then you're going to do E, that's A, B. Now let's do B. B is flat again, so you do 2nd fret, that's 2nd fret, and then your A here, it's supposed to be like this, right? But I usually do it this way. So instead of this, the finger number 1, I'll do finger number 2, number 3, number 4. Okay, so do it this way. So that's A, right? Then you're flat, you move to 2nd fret, and then this A, you'd move to the 4th fret, and that flat. Okay, that is B. Okay, that's B. So now we already did all the chords from C to B. So let's review. C, D, let's do it. D, E, F, G, A, B. Okay, there you go. So let's stop there. Okay, let's rest for a while. Your homework is to memorize the chords, learn them, and then learn how to practice. Practice your muscles to memorize the chords. Okay, the fingering of the chords.